Okay, enough. So it should be theoretical implication and managerial implications. So what is implication? Actually, whatever you achieved through this particular study. So anybody can ask one question that so how your results are important. So to justify your result, you say that my results, they are important because they are having several implications. So for example, the findings of this study indicate that the extant literature does not clearly explain online trust related factors that either discourage or encourage consumer when shopping products online. Even though there were some empirical studies on factors influencing consumer in buying shopping products online, most of them were conducted in United States. This is the first study of its kind in the field of Malaysian online shopping products, having implication for theory of planned behavior, comprehensive data collection using a multidisciplinary approach, and sophisticated data analysis technique using Sobel test and bootstrapping. So this is one implication. So you can stop this video and read the other implications as well. So the managerial implications, on the other hand, I will go for one small one. For example, many marketers acknowledge the importance of using internet in their marketing mix, but they have very little knowledge of consumer motivation when potentially buying products online. Marketing managers have to allocate their marketing budget to raise positive factors and suppress negative factors to positively influence a consumer's intention to buy. Trust is one of the main factors influencing a consumer's decision to buy a certain shopping product from a certain company. It is important that marketers invest enough in advertising and promotion to increase the familiarity and popularity of both company and brand before going online. So in this regards, the results of this study are important to improve and strengthen product endorsement and increase the perception of product efficacy. So this is one of the managerial implication. Okay, another is the findings of these studies are also beneficial to the web developers. Knowledge generated from this study is useful and may serve as a guide for developing attractive and effective websites and company homepage. This information is not only beneficial to web developers in the shopping product industry, but it is also beneficial to the web developers of other consumer products in Malaysia. Now, one thing I must say, people might differentiate this particular section with the rationales of the study. The rationales of the study, I would say, in the rationale of the study, we say that these are the expected benefits of this particular study, knowing that this study is not done as yet. But when you talk about the implications of the study, you're talking about the results of the study first, and based on the results, you can define the implications of the study. Because what happens when you don't know the results, you can say these can be the expected benefits, but when you know the results precisely, you can say that I'm sure that these results have following implications. So okay, after this, another section, the limitations of this study. Now you just imagine, people after reading your study can raise many questions. So most of those questions might be raising the fact that your study is limited to following variables only. Why don't you add one more variable? Why don't you apply to a particular industry? Uh, I mean, in this context, we have used online industry, but uh, Why, for example, why not choosing one particular website? Or people can raise many of the questions. Something, you cannot stop people while asking those questions. So up till now,